So great. Today we are almost sneeze. We are starting. I am already in Wisconsin, meaning I have 2 shifts to go to Calgary, and I'm not gonna be able to make the border tonight, unfortunately. Crossing is in Minnesota, so yeah, so crossing is in North Portal, yeah, Saskatchewan, right? So, all right, let's see how far is that, baby. Yeah, so 12 hours, no way I can make it there.
This route avoids a road closure on Interstate 94 West.
So I'm gonna take it easy. I have my delivery. Monday is a holiday, this coming Monday, so I'm gonna just take it easy, going, you know, certain. All right. Now I am in, I tell you, I am in around Portage, Wisconsin. So yeah, it will not get me to border tonight, but you know, I see road closure here. Is that possible? Let's see. Road closure. Ah, that's fine. It's a reroute, so around 5 on 94. On 94 of Minnesota, but I have so much to Minnesota, man. It's a long run. Yeah, I don't want to go to. This one is 2 hours slower. No, this one is quicker. Over North Dakota. That's it. Okay, guys. So my story is today that I park next to this guy here. He has a really quiet truck. No problem, right? So here's the heating. Cool. Warming system is really something, man. I have to check this guy. Is this guy burning or what? Let's see. Man. Buddy, where's your load, buddy? You forgot your load today, did you? Great. Now watch this, man. Oh wow, look at that. Woo, somebody will be happy. 3 kids on the back, man. that big family and probably happy family. These people don't give a damn about rest of the world, you know. They live their style and life. Why not? What the heck? I would do it too if I can, right? We are going from this little place to Highway 1, Pennsylvania, and that's gonna take me to Flying J. I'm gonna refuel a little bit, and from there I have to do the 5th delivery today and pick up the load in Baltimore and go home. Yeah, pretty much easy as comes, right? Great. So let's find a turn here. These villages are really sometime undetermined, so this is 13.6 tunnel, man. Only 1 inch is higher than my trailer. It's really scary, man. I've been here once and I tell myself I will never come back. And actually, you have to come back because you cannot cross the river in Baltimore unless you took this tunnel route. So today is my birthday and that's great. I'm gonna deal with this BS underground, right? So limit is here 50. Man, this is a long tunnel, man. And again, this is Baltimore, US. I have delivery in 10 minutes after this bridge looks like. But you know, all you have to do is read sign, man. 13.6. And my trailer height is 13.5. So I'm good here. So don't ask me why they built that low tunnel. Who knows? This was probably built that was a different truck height. Imagine. It's freaking crazy. So welcome to Baltimore. If you wanna see as a truck driver nightmare, this is the place to be. Yeah, it is, unfortunately. And sides of these tunnels are metal bars. So if you touch with your size of tire this bar, it will friggin' explode. So this is no fun, really. You have no tolerance here. If you're a new driver, don't come here. That's my opinion. Do not come here. It's just not place for you, man. Change the lane and now it's open field, so looks better. So look at these guys. This is really place you don't wanna come. Look at this. This is 14 feet tall, right? So I'm safe with length, but you know what happens, some bad guys sometimes take the take the sign off overnight. I witnessed this in Pennsylvania, and I'm always careful bridges, especially in Baltimore. This is a nightmare place. Look at how old this place is, you know. Everything is broken here, terrible. So I have advanced light here. Let's go, buddy. Man, look at this shit. Look at this shit. This is just a nightmare. Nothing but nightmare. And I have 7 minutes to my delivery, guys. Believe that. I see truck is going after me, so I feel more confident because I see trucks are coming here. So East Ordnance Road, man. I see a lot of trash cities, but this city is really trashy, man. Really trashy. Sometimes even I lock my, look at that. I lock my truck, you know, because you don't know who is this people here, you know. I mean, by lucky truck, nothing's gonna benefit too much if they have guns with those, right? So 1 mile we're gonna turn east. Look at this guy. See that? Look at that. I mean, you gotta be really have a guts to be on horse on this kind of highway. Because the horse cannot go that fast, right? That's another problem, right? And sometimes they horse get scared because of engine brakes. That's why I do not use engine brakes here. I don't want a horse jumping in front of me, right? So to my knowledge, I think Pennsylvania is one of the worst states you can drive truck, right? Pennsylvania is really tough. There's a lot of hills, and when you even go in cities, they're all a lot of low bridges, like you name it, man. Now what are you gonna do? Today we're gonna challenge Pennsylvania, you know. Next time maybe we go to Texas. Who knows, right? Depends what the job takes you, man. Good offer, you take the job. Bad offer, you just tell them don't want to do it. Give me another one. So no push low, yeah. Used to be really tough because they, you know, they force you to do things. Not anymore. Companies, you know, the only reason why, because there's shortage of drivers, so they have to be nice to us. That's basically it, right? Here is nice, but you know, not for trucking. And you know, the stage of low bridges, I can see trucks coming another way. So that would be give you a little bit notification that there's no bridge here. Unless truck came after the bridge and joined the highway, that's another story. But I should be off in 2 miles off. Another horsey, ah, wow, a lot of horses, man. I never see more than here. Yeah. So this is beautiful for truckers, yeah. Very tight, guys. You end up here, you're gonna have to be really slow moving here, man. You gotta watch your wires, watch your trailer. Lots of low wires here. Very low, like barely almost touching my trailer. I don't know why they don't lift this one feet up and solve the problem. I don't know. Because any snow or any ice is gonna drag the line down and it's gonna be snapped. Somebody will do snapping here. So I heard in Pennsylvania, look at that beauty. Look at that. Huh? Oh, there is some baby horses there. Great. Well, how big babies are? They're giant babies. So I heard in Pennsylvania it's gonna be a lot of drill baby. Yeah, I think, yeah. A lot of drilling